Hi guys, welcome again to our project that we just began in the previous day. So this is our today we are doing foundation walling. We have begun our foundation for the project that we started last time. So this is our project now going on. So here we have begun with foundation, which will take 2 days, and we are going on well. We are doing good. So for today, this is now it's the picture of our projects now coming clearly, showing the sizes of our rooms, the type of the foundation we are using, and because this area is so watery, when it rains, there is massive water runoff, and that's why we are going to raise our foundation to at least 800 millimeters above the ground. That one will help us even when it becomes to rainy seasons or water runoff. It will it will prevent what water from entering our house. Again, uh, as you are moving on, it's bringing a clear picture. These are our workmen doing it. As you are seeing, this is foundation wall. We are doing foundation walling today, and also we are doing it tomorrow. As we will see in our next video what we'll be doing tomorrow, the steps for doing foundation. We're also having some walls here. These spaces are for reinforcement. I think you can go somewhere there. Let's go somewhere there. Sorry, Fundi. Let me just pass a bit. Okay, thank you. Let me move around along our corridor. You can come. Let's show them. So this is a 3-bedroom, but we are doing also reinforcement. So these are bases for our columns. These are the bases. This is where we are going to put the base for the column that we are going to put here. So we are going to put a 2-pole column. We are going to put a 2-pole column that is going to handle our veranda. So it means this house is going to be very strong because we are beginning with a very nice foundation. You can look at it; it's very massive, but it's nice, built. Thank you for watching for today. We are going to update you our next level in the next video following next day. Thank you. For more information, go like, share, and subscribe. If you want construction services, you can contact this number through Engineer Kelvin 0768 730 282 0768 730 282. Thank you very much.
So this is the foundation, and then I will want to show you the layout. How is it? So these are 3 pillars that will be installed, that will be raised over there, that will be holding our corridor, our veranda, our first porch, the rear porch for this house. So that is the balcony for our main entrance that you see over there. And then, so as you go, that will be our corridor that lead us towards a sitting room, bedroom, and the other kitchen. So as you can see on the right hand, that is the sitting room, like you see over there. That will be our provision for sitting room, like you see over there. And then on the other side, so this sitting room was proposed to be a sunken, that will be at least lower than our dining room. So our dining room will be at least little bit raised up, and then that is our dining room that you see over there. It will be an open. Our ark will be over there from the kitchen, from the dining, and then from the dining and the sitting room. So we'll went further, and then I will show you our kitchen. So That's the wall for our kitchen that you see over there. Our kitchen will be, and then the other small partition that you see over there, it will be our store, the store for our kitchen, and then the other one that is over there at the end will be our corridor, a balcony for the outside. So that will be for the balcony for our kitchen, and then that is will be our master bedroom that you see over there. It's quite big, and then at the end there, that will be our the toilet for our master bedroom that will be used for our master bedroom. And then the other one, that is a first bedroom, and then the first bedroom and the second bedroom shares a toilet that will be a public toilet that will be installed over there, that the partition you see over there. So that is the second bedroom, like you see over there. All of them that are of same size on in interior. And then that is the wall, and then that is will be our sitting room, and then that is will be our passage coming from our main door. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like, share. And then that house that you see over there, I think a couple of days have shown you how amazing we have built the features.
So we are happy to begin our project today. This is Engineer Kelvin and the clergy and the party. So this is what we are doing. We are doing construction work, and for today is day one, whereby we are doing setting out. We are doing setting out and also dredging. So for instance, with this 3-bedroom, this is where we can begin with. This is our corridor, the lobby, where now we can enter the room. So this is our sitting room. This is where we are going to place our sitting room. Here we will have an arch. So this one we are going to, we will see it in the next level. But for now this we just clarifying. We are showing this the sitting room, and this is our dining. You see, it's opposite the sitting room. It's our raised dining. Our dining is raised. Our sitting room here will be sunken sitting room. There we go. After going there, now we get into another lobby. So here we have our master bedroom. This is where we'll get to the master bedroom. And here we have our kitchen through the corridor. We will have our kitchen. We'll have our pantry here, and this is our rear porch, the kitchen yard now, where now you will be coming to rest. This is our kitchen yard, and therefore we go back, we get into the lobby. After getting into the lobby, we have our common toilet here. This is our common toilet. This is our bedroom, bedroom 1. This is our bedroom 2. There will be a door here for bedroom 2. So for here, this bedroom and this bedroom will be using this toilet. And then here now we will be having, for our master bedroom, our master bedroom is ensuite. Yeah, our master bedroom is ensuite. We have the WC here for our master bedroom. So the other side is an open space, and this is our profile. This is our profile for the construction. This is our profile now. You see, so this is where our project is going to stand. This is where our project is going to stand, and we are raising a 3-bedroom self-contained house, a modern 3-bedroom self-contained house. So we will show you, we will be updating you in every level, in whichever the level we are going. Thank you for today. For number, now you can, if you want to inquire these services, you can contact 0768 730 282, 0768 730 282. So if you want houses like this, 3-bedroom houses, if you want story houses, that is our number. Contact that number always. We will be together. Thank you.
Say what you wanna say to me